What's up, everybody? Anton Kraly here from dropshiplifestyle.com. And in this video, I'm going to share some tips designed to help you get your first sale dropshipping. Now, the reason I want to discuss this today is because I was just over in our Facebook group for the Dropship Lifestyle community, and I saw this. So Dan said, "Hey everyone, I'm posting here because I made my first sale yesterday. Exclamation point. After several months of working really hard on the Dropship Blueprint modules, we launched our Google Ads 2 days ago, and within 1 day, we made a sale." Then he said, "I hope this encourages anyone who's just beginning. The DSL Blueprint really works. Thanks for this great community, and I wish you all loads of success." And if you're watching the video of this here, you could see that Dan got one order, his first order, for $2,990. So first off, huge congratulations to Dan. Awesome work. You earned this, and here's to many, many more. With that being said, the reason I want to share this video is because I'm sure there's a lot of people out there that want results. They want sales. And most of the time, it's possible to get that first one, to get the ball rolling sooner rather than later. Now, even if it took you a year, hypothetically, is that better than not ever getting that first sale? Yes, of course. For Dan, he said after several months, he made this work and got his first sale. But the truth is, with what I shared today, you can really compress the process to get the ball rolling within 2, maybe even 3 weeks. So with that being said, let's get into the tips to help you get your first sale. Tip number 1 is going to sound extremely obvious, but it is absolutely necessary to do in order to get that first sale. So tip number 1 is open for business. What do I mean by that? Well, first, you're going to want to sign up with Shopify. That's the platform that we use, hands down the best. By the way, if you want a 45-day trial for $1, I'll put a link in the description. You can get literally 45 days for $1. Awesome deal. But the first step is signing up with Shopify. Now, when you do that, all you're going to have is basically a blank template of a store, the shell of a store. Now, when you first sign up, that store is locked behind a password, meaning if somebody goes to the URL that you choose, they're going to see something that says enter your password to basically view the site, right? Now, you're not going to give anyone that password, but as long as there's a password protecting the site, no one's going to see it. No one's going to be able to order from it. So once you get signed up on there, the first thing you want to do is design your store, make a demo store, as I call them. I've done other episodes on this. I'll post a link to one if you want to check it out. Once you do that, remove the password so people can actually see it. After you remove the password, you want to get approved with at least 2 suppliers. Okay, 2 suppliers you're an authorized retailer to sell for. And once you do that, you're going to upload their products to your store. Last step to officially open for business is to sign up for Shopify payments. Now, this is in the back end of Shopify in the admin. And basically, Shopify payments allows you to accept credit cards, debit cards, Apple Pay, Google Pay, and basically money from anyone that wants to give it to you to order from you. But once you have these things done, your store is now officially open for business. There's real products on it. It's not behind a password. And if people want to buy, they can pay and the money goes to you. So tip number 1 is complete those tasks. You are now officially open for business. But if no one can find you, they're not going to buy. That's why we're moving on to tip 2 to get your first sale dropshipping. And that is to turn on traffic so people can visit your website, people that want to buy. Now, I'm going to talk about both free and paid traffic sources here. In the beginning, I fully understand some people are trying to start for as cheap as possible, and they want to rely totally on free traffic. I'll tell you, you will eventually want to reinvest profits into ads. That will just allow your business to grow much faster. But for the first sale, you can easily get that with free traffic, which is why I'm including it here. So first thing you should do is set up your Google product listings. Now, these are not Google product listing ads. These are organic listings on Google Shopping. So if you go to Google, search for something, click on shopping, the top line of results, the top carousel, those are paid ads, but everything under that is an organic listing. And you can be there as well for the grand total of $0. And you can definitely get a sale from there. And depending on the search volume, it could be very fast. So if you want to know more about that, that is covered in module 6 of the Dropship Blueprint. So if you're watching this and you're a member of Dropship Lifestyle, I will link to how to do that in the description of this video. If you're watching this and for some reason you're not a member of Dropship Lifestyle, I don't know why that would be, but if you want to learn more, go to dropshipwebinar.com, get a free training from me, and I'll make you a special offer so you can become part of the program. Again, dropshipwebinar.com for that. But Now you'll have this set up. Your Google product listings will be going. You'll be getting free traffic from there from qualified people. The next thing you may want to do, again, if you want to rely on free traffic, is use marketplaces. Now I've done a video on this, so I'm just going to link to that rather than repeat everything I said. That video is called How to Get Free Traffic to Your Store, and the link for that one will be in the description as well. So that's the free side, right? And again, between those two, more than enough to get your first sale very fast. But moving on to the paid side of things, if you want to do what Dan did and get your first sale within a day of having ads turned on, then I advise to you what I advised to him, which is to turn on Google product listing ads. These are the paid ads that you see on Google Shopping in that top carousel. And in order to have your ads promoted there, you're going to need Google Merchant Center, which is linked to your Shopify store, and then Google Ads, which is linked to Google Merchant Center. Now, again, if you're a member of Dropship Lifestyle, there are full trainings on how to set this all up in Module 6 of the Blueprint. Again, I'll link to those specific lessons in the description of this video. If you're not a member yet, again, go sign up, go to Dropship Webinar, get a special offer, and you can get the more advanced training there. But Google product listing ads are the ones that convert the highest, and they can convert very fast. So get those going. Now, the fourth thing you want to do to turn on traffic is to set up Facebook dynamic remarketing. What this is basically somebody goes to your website, they leave, they go to Facebook, they see an ad from your store with your product image, they click it, they go right back to that product page. These are ads where we use super small budgets. We barely spend anything there, but they have crazy return on ad spends. They're extremely profitable. So even if you're trying to start for cheap, I would recommend them with very low budgets. They work very, very well. Now, if you just followed those first two tips and literally did nothing else, you're going to get your first sale, right? You're going to make money that way. But if you want to have it happen even faster, and if you want more of those website visitors to become customers, that's going to take us to the third tip from this video that will help you get your first sale as soon as possible. And the third tip is talk to shoppers. Talk to the people that are on your website so you can address any concerns, so you can help them if they're having any trouble, and so you can find out what they want, what they need, and they can become a customer of yours. So the two easiest ways to do this: the first is to have live chat on your site so people can start conversations with you. I recommend an app called Tidio. They have an iPhone app and an Android app as well. People see a little widget on your website. They can ask questions. You get pinged on your phone. You can respond and help address their concerns so that they buy, and who knows, that might be your first customer. Now, the second way I recommend talking to your shoppers is by using what are known as exit intent overlays. These are what you see when you go to a website, you go to X out, and the screen gets full and there's a message that asks you to enter your email for something, right? Now, what the something is, I gave a bunch of ideas, again, in the Dropship Blueprint. That's in Module 5. But the point is, just have a way you can capture email addresses from people that are about to leave. Now, typically what you'll do, and what you'll do at scale as your store is bigger and bigger and bigger, is use email automations to follow up with everybody that leaves without buying. In the beginning, I'm going to encourage you to manually reach out to them instead. So you'll see everybody that's entering their email. Instead of just using an automation in the beginning, send them an email manually. Just reach out and say, "Hi, Anton, I see you just left our website and you didn't place an order. If there's anything I can help you with, just know I'm standing by." You can reply to this email, or you can call me direct at and put your phone number. These little things are big to customers, and if you have average order values like we do of $1,000 plus, then every sale means $300 or more net profit. So it's well worth the time, especially in the beginning when you're looking to make that first sale. So guys, as always, I hope you got value from this video. Just know these things are all important, and what I try to do is condense it down to the necessary things that will get you that sale as soon as possible. And the real goal of it is that comes in, it basically helps prove to you that this is real, that this works, and it gives you that motivation and drive to keep moving forward. As you move forward, just know again, it doesn't stop here. You're gonna wanna continue to get approved with all of the suppliers in your niche, upload all of their products, of course. You're gonna be optimizing and getting better at paid ads. You're going to continue optimizing your store for conversions, and you're going to grow and grow over time while you make money at the same time, because now you are profitable. So guys, again, if you're watching this and you're not yet a member of Dropship Lifestyle, be sure to go to dropshipwebinar.com, where I show you how to build a highly profitable semi-automated store from anywhere in the world. And if you know anybody that needs to hear this message, that maybe has been working in the background, spending spending months or longer without actually launching their store, send this over, give them some tips that will hopefully help them take action and get that first sale within, who knows, maybe this week. So appreciate you, and I'll be back on Thursday with the next video. If you're not subscribed yet, click that button. You'll get notified every time a new video goes live. See ya.